Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel data entry. First, organize your information into a clear structure. Consider using Excel tables, which automatically expand and maintain formatting. Setting up data validation rules early prevents errors, ensuring only correct data types are entered. This foundational step saves significant time and effort later on, making your data entry process much smoother and more reliable from the start. Once your setup is complete, focus on efficient input. Master keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+D to fill down or Ctrl+R to fill right, saving many clicks. Leverage auto-fill for sequences and repetitive data, dragging the fill handle. For complex patterns, Flash Fill can intelligently complete your data based on examples, often saving hours of manual typing. Accuracy is paramount in data entry. Beyond initial validation, regularly review your entries for common mistakes, such as typos or incorrect formats. Conditional formatting can highlight potential issues, like duplicate values or numbers outside an expected range, perhaps between 0 and 100%. This visual feedback helps you quickly identify and correct errors, maintaining high data quality. For even greater efficiency, explore advanced Excel features. Custom data entry forms can simplify input, especially for large datasets. Record macros to automate repetitive tasks, turning multiple steps into a single click. Finally, protect your worksheets to prevent accidental changes to formulas or critical data, ensuring the integrity of your work. These tools elevate your data entry skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.